If your Cricket wireless phone is lost or stolen, suspending your line is crucial to prevent unauthorized use and charges. As of September 2025, you can suspend your service through the My Cricket app, the Cricket website, or by calling 1-800-CRICKET. For a lost phone, simply report it. For a stolen phone, you'll need to provide a police report number and the phone's IMEI. Suspension is temporary, lasting up to 90 days, during which time your phone number and plan are preserved. There's no fee to suspend, but reactivation in store may incur a $20 charge. Acting quickly is essential. Delays can lead to significant fraudulent charges, aligning with FCC guidelines that hold users responsible for prompt reporting. Using the AI chatbot on the MyCricket app will reduce wait times. Key considerations include understanding the difference between suspension and cancellation. Suspension is temporary, preserving your account for up to 90 days, while cancellation permanently ends your service. Suspension is available for all Cricket plans, but not for business or IoT lines. Cricket requires IMEI verification to prevent theft, and a police report is mandatory for full account protection on stolen phones. Watch for digital-first trends. Most suspensions are now initiated via the app or website, with AI-powered support reducing wait times. Cricket encourages recycling of stolen or lost devices for credits, reducing e-waste while providing financial incentives. Expect increasing integration with device tracking apps and potential blockchain-based IMEI tracking in the future to further reduce phone theft. Suspension is an essential tool for risk management on prepaid services, helping prevent unauthorized charges and fraud.